Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view a text file's contents or text within a command line window, whether it's command prompt or PowerShell. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a command prompt or PowerShell, doesn't really matter. And now my text file is on my desktop. So I'm going to type in the word type, T-Y-P-E, and then a space in the command prompts. And then again, make sure you have a space in here. And then just drag and drop the text file in, hit enter, and you can see the text is right here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.